From soaring gas prices to our ever-increasing reliance on electricity, many fear the arrival of large winter heating bills. But what if there were a way to keep your home warm without these expensive and often volatile energy sources? The Amish have done it for generations, thriving in cold climates without gas or electricity. This video discusses their time-tested, sustainable heating methods and how you can apply them to your home, whether you're off-grid or just looking for ways to bring down your utility bills. The Amish avoidance of modern conveniences, including gas and electric heating, stems from their deeply held values of self-reliance and minimal dependence on the outside world. This philosophy shapes their choice of heating systems, prioritizing methods that are sustainable, efficient, and align with their simple lifestyle. Two primary methods stand out: wood-burning stoves and masonry heaters. These aren't just effective heating solutions. They're testaments to their commitment to resourcefulness and environmental consciousness. Wood-burning stoves, a timeless tradition. For generations, the fire in the wood-burning stove has been the heartbeat of the Amish home, warming and providing a central gathering place for family. Its efficiency is remarkable. A well-managed wood stove can easily heat a large area, sometimes an entire house, with consistent warmth. Unlike gas or electric systems, it is entirely independent of external power sources, making it resilient during power outages and incredibly cost-effective, especially when using locally sourced wood. This, however, is not done without commitment. Amish families spend most of the warm seasons gathering and preparing firewood, a seemingly significant activity in maintaining homes. This is usually through handwork or by using horses and other equipment that supports the principles of diligence and preparation. The wood is hand-split and allowed to season for several months before burning to be able to burn with maximum heat output and minimal smoke. Operating a wood stove is a skill learned over generations. It's not simply about lighting a fire, but rather involves managing airflow, adjusting dampers, and regulating the burn to achieve a consistent, comfortable temperature that warms without overheating the house. Classic cast iron stoves are common, but so are newer, airtight models, which maximize fuel efficiency by monitoring oxygen input. Masonry heaters, thermal mass heat storage. Another amazing Amish heating system is the masonry heater. This clever design stores heat in thermal mass, usually brick or stone. Unlike wood stoves that constantly radiate heat while the fire is burning, masonry heaters capture the intense heat from a short, hot fire and release it slowly over time. One fire will keep an entire day warm, even a week at times, for the enormous structure captures and releases heat far more effectively than a metal stove. This means it's especially useful for bigger homes or in regions where low temperatures persistently prevail. The families only have to make a fire once or twice a day and stay warm the rest of the time. Sustainability of masonry heaters is a huge benefit. The burn is at high temperatures, so very little smoke comes out, and this is probably one of the cleanest wood-burning options available. The low wood consumption contributes to its environmentally friendly nature. While the initial investment and construction are a big cost, a well-built masonry heater can last decades with very little upkeep, and that makes it a very long-term solution, embodying the Amish values of simplicity and durability. Home design, passive heating, and natural insulation. The Amish way of designing their homes is essential to their efficient heating. They use natural insulation and passive heating methods to maximize the heat produced by their stoves and heaters. Their homes are designed to retain warmth well, ensuring that the heat produced inside stays there for as long as possible. There are two critical factors involved in that: building materials and design, and how they use windows and lights systematically. Building materials. Amish homes often use thick walls of stone or brick, which serves as a type of thermal mass like a masonry heater. The materials absorb the heat during the day and release it out slowly into the night, and regulate the temperature inside. The thickness provides plenty of insulation, keeping cold out and warmth in. Unlike modern homes with thinner walls and synthetic insulation that can degrade over time, the Amish rely on the enduring properties of natural materials like stone, brick, and wood. Home design. The Amish's homes are minimalist and functional. They have fewer openings on the outside, doors and windows, hence less heat escaping. Low-ceiling common rooms trap heat close to living rooms. Living rooms are small, so that warmth spread throughout the dwelling naturally. Fuel consumption is also reduced, emphasizing their commitment to efficiency. Strategic window placement and coverings. Not using modern solar panels, the Amish strategically locate their homes and windows to maximize passive solar heating. South-facing homes with many windows on the south walls capture maximum direct sunlight during the daytime hours, creating a greenhouse effect inside that home. The stone or brick walls absorb this heat and let it leak out slowly, taking away a good amount of artificial heating needs. However, they also understand the importance of balancing heat gain and loss. Thick curtains or shutters effectively insulate windows at night, preventing heat escape. Double-paned or storm windows, common in many Amish homes, create an insulating air pocket, further reducing heat loss and drafts. Supplemental heating. Kerosene and oil lanterns. Kerosene and oil lanterns are also used as supplementary heating devices, especially during extremely cold days or in specific parts of the house. These lanterns are not intended to warm up a whole room, but are meant to give localized warmth to drafty areas or rooms away from the main source of heat. They could be used in bedrooms at night or in workspaces to provide both light and a slight warming effect. Kerosene lanterns are also appreciated for their simplicity and constant flame, which give both light and heat. The portability makes it easy to move from one room to another. Oil lanterns work in the same way. Their combined use in smaller spaces can be a big difference on cold nights. These lanterns are in line with the Amish frugal and sustainable lifestyle. They are a minimal expense compared to electricity, using readily available, locally sourced fuels. The dual function of light and heat adds to their efficiency, providing two services for the price of one. Their durability and simple design mean minimal repairs or replacements, further aligning with their long-term sustainability goals. Adapting Amish heating methods for modern homes. While the Amish have perfected their heating techniques over generations, you don't need to live off-grid to benefit. Many of their methods can be adapted to modern homes, blending traditional wisdom with modern convenience to reduce heating costs and improve energy efficiency. Wood or pellet stoves. A wood or pellet stove provides a sustainable, cost-effective option for heating compared with electric or gas. Modern wood stoves come in sleek designs, have an airtight seal, and allow for the control of airflow, which improves their efficiency and management. Pellet stoves are made from recycled materials, compressing them into cleaner burning fuels that can burn automatically. Modern versions of masonry heaters, these have gained more and more fans of long-term low-maintenance heating. However, they consume much space to set up and a pretty large investment. They, though, burn incredibly efficiently, leaving very low amounts of pollutants behind. Masonry heaters could also be combined perfectly with other types of architectural design. Improved insulation. Insulation can improve dramatically without any new heating installation. One can seal all drafty windows and doors, add thick curtains, and use weather stripping to retain the heat. Wool rugs and heavy drapes make interior spaces more insulating. Conclusion: sustainable warmth. The Amish home heating approach is one of sustainable practice and thoughtful design. You can create a warm and comfortable home while reducing your environmental impact and energy bills by embracing their principles of natural insulation, efficient heating systems, and resourcefulness. Start by researching local options for wood or pellet stoves exploring DIY insulation techniques, and considering low-tech, sustainable heating solutions. Small changes can lead to significant savings and a more sustainable lifestyle. Stay warm, stay frugal, and find the old sustainable solutions for our lives. That's the Amish way of living.